This is a tough one. I know how you boys feel. I guess you're raring to go. Right?
Right.
Scott,
Yes, sir.
launch Thunderbird 1, proceed to Glenfield, and stand by there for the takeoff of 0X.
Yes, sir.
Thunderbirds are go!
Well, hello! Once again, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to 2022. Yes, guys and girls, folks, we're going to get on with the Thunderbird 4 chair again and start the new year as we finish the last. So, been quite busy, oddly enough, over the time that it's been available over the seasonal period. But here we are, so let's crack on with an expert.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate, go your own way, I won't wait.
Bring the funk back.
So it's moving on quite well. Had a couple of failed prints actually. Actually, it is my fault, not the printer's fault, because I thought I'd clean the LED lighty thing, technical term, so you know. And it failed on a few prints. And when I looked, it recovered. So obviously the light wasn't penetrated. So I had an issue now to do that mouldy thing. But that's worked out right, and I think it's looking okay. So still lots to do. It shouldn't take too long now once the festival season's calmed down. So we'll move on with the next bit. Hi, hope you enjoyed that. That's the end of this episode for now. Time is, as they say, of the essence. And of course, the festive period has taken a lot of my time. But hopefully 2022 will give us a bit more leeway on time so we can get on with more projects. I really appreciate your support throughout the year. For those of you who are new, thank you for that. And we'll see you through to the end of this year, 2022. So help support the channel as always. Press the like button, leave a comment, smash that little bell. Doing it again. And for now, we'll do a bit of a mashup about what we've achieved this year. And I'll see you at the end. That music is coming from the Thunderbird.
Okay. Rewind and stand by.
So there you go. I would like to think about all the hours the creators spend putting all this stuff together, and it is very time consuming. So again, hopefully a bit more time to allocate. Really appreciate your support this past year, and let's hope we can press on and get some more cracking projects done for this year, not last year, 2022. Marvellous. So until then, as always, take care.